So if you need to see your service fee in a report separate, not as a part of your items, but as separately as a service fee, you want to use order via service fee option to trigger your reports. This is what it would look like during checkout. Let me go to register and grab item A and maybe this item here. So I have two items. I'm gonna hit pay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pay this out and print receipt. And we can see that the service fee is all the way at the bottom of the receipt. Here we go, right? Let me just zoom in on this. There we go. Now, to see the report, you'd go into the register, into the reporting app. Let's find it. Reporting. And you can find it now in taxes. So maybe not, maybe sales overview. Let's see. Sales overview, net sales, amount, cash amount, total, sales. Service charges, that's where it will be. So if you go into the net sales, service charges will have the total for that fee. There we go.